We had started out using what was left of yesterday's batch, and now out of polymer. And Steve will show the procedure for making up a new batch of polymer solution.
Okay, what I do is I just turn my system completely off. What you want to do is fill this back up. What we'll do is just turn the water on. Another line, separate water line, stays up here. This is how we'll get the column. Yeah, 28 minutes up to here.
At what point do you turn the mixer on? When it...
wait till the level gets up. This mixer only goes down this far.
So you wait till it's above the prop.
Wait till it's above the prop, exactly. It's above the prop. It goes on. Mixes for 15 minutes.
And that's all there is to it, I guess.
That's all there is to it.
The sludge pump is back on at this point. It's just filling the remaining 2 funnels. You can see the standing water, the free water, real nice flock, good separation. This is the experimental bag right there. Again, you can see the free water, which is the real key to the success of the operation, the quality of the sludge flock.
When we first started the system up, we had to play with the level, and every operator or every plant's going to be a little different. When we first started this, our sludge was a little thinner. Therefore, we filled 2 to 3 times and then let it sit overnight. We've got our sludge now to where it's thick enough to where we can fill it once, maximum twice, and we fill it to a certain level. If your sludge is thinner, it's going to settle faster, and you're going to be able to fill it a little bit more. But we've got our sludge thick to where we want it, so when we fill it up to here and it settles, we know it's going to come down and about right in here. And then we'll have enough room to take the stuff left in the pan over, but it's a trial and error thing, and until you get your sludge right where you want it, you're going to be playing with your levels. But once you reach the thickness of your sludge coming in, you'll be able to just set those probes where you want them, and you won't have to touch them again.
And how long does it normally take to go through a cycle on a given day?
If you come in here in the morning and you take a new batch right off the rack, it'll take you approximately 2 hours. From the time you drag the bags off, put the new bags on, and run a batch of sludge through the system. It'll take approximately 2 hours. You can shut everything down and walk away. Or you can take a little bit longer and let the system run on its own and come back and check on it. But we just go ahead and run the batch in 2 hours in the morning, and we're done for the rest of the day.
Now, if you had to go through more than 1 cycle in a day, how many bags do you think you could do if you pushed it full out in a single day?
If we pushed it full out in a single day, we could do 36 bags a day.
Okay.
If we wanted to. I'd say you're getting about 2,000 gallons of sludge treated per 12 bags, approximately, in that area, 2,000.
And you figure that's at what percent feed solids there?
Well, I think it's about, I don't know the exact percentage, but we're getting over around 3,000 milligrams per liter on the mixed liquid phase.
Okay.
Suspended solid phase. And the sludge bags will weigh approximately 120 pounds when they come off after setting for bleaching for 24 hours. And usually we'll get rid of them anywhere between 4 to 6 months. We'll have them hauled to the landfill. They'll weigh approximately 30 to 50 pounds. Approximately 3 to 4 months old here, this sludge I just got out of the bag. This has been frozen, thawed, and refrozen. But this is exactly what it looks like after 3 to 4 months right out of the bag.
Steve, could you describe the texture of that sludge a little bit?
This texture right now, it is crumbly. We're going to let it dry. It'll probably soften up. But in my previous experience, when you open a bag of this, after 3 to 6 months, it's just like topsoil. It's like it's got a musty odor. It doesn't have a sewage odor. It's got a musty odor, something like you would find in a topsoil bag.
All right, and the bags are stored there in an outdoor location?
On pallets, yes.
On pallets. You don't have those covered as they are now?
As they are now, no, we haven't got into that yet. Our next experiment with this will be, we're going to build a pad with rock, and we're going to put the plastic down and put the pallets on top of the plastic. We took a bag that has been frozen and thawed and frozen again from the Mother Nature. We tested it. It came out 41%. You can't beat that. So when you're hauling your sludge to the landfill, you're hauling it per ton. Your per ton is going out of here anywhere from 40 to 42%. You can't get that out of any other system. Mother Nature does the work on it, but you're holding these bags anywhere from 4 to 6 months, so you're getting a great result for your money out of these bagging systems.
Steve, thanks for having us here today, and we'll conclude at this point. Maybe you could just give a closing remark on what you think of the system and whether you'd recommend it for small plants such as this.
This system is practically maintenance free. You have one part, which is your polymer pump inside here, which may need maintenance from time to time. We've been running for approximately a year to a year and a half, have had no problems. You have another pump out there which pumps your sludge to you. We have had no problems with that pump other than Mother Nature. We had a flood here in January. We had to get it worked on. We have the variable speed, which is a great asset if you're going to go into this type of system. It's virtually maintenance free. The best way to run it is to run it clean. If you can keep a handle on cleaning your area after you're done each day, this is a very, very cost-efficient system. We hauled approximately 70 tons of sludge that was anywhere from 5 months to 6 months old. Our total budget was anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 for that. It is a great sludge system if you're a small plant. We are now running around 95,000 gallons a day. This is a 300,000 gallon capability plant. We have 2 plants which will do 150 each. So for this type of system, this is the way to go. The non-covers help to maintain and clean the pans out. You can just go up on a ladder. You can see how thick your sludge is. If you need to make the adjustment, you can make it right now. I have had virtually no problems with this system, and we're going to continue to use it. And I would recommend it for any plant that's in the business to check into these.
Steve, thanks very much, and signing off from the BCI Municipal Authority in Coalport, Pennsylvania. Hope you found this video informative and useful.